Are you beginning your art journey and wondering how to get started with your art materials? You know, the foundational skill in any art training in realism is drawing. And to get started, you really need to understand the basic drawing tool, which is the pencil. So what kind of pencils should you be using? What you want to be using are artist pencils, not regular pencils. And why is that important? The problem with regular pencils that you can buy in any store is that the graphite is not very good quality. It's not ground very fine, and as a result it has impurities in it. And these impurities can break the lead, or they can chip off and leave these sharp little edges that can actually rip and tear the paper while you're working on your drawings. Artist pencils, on the other hand, are very different. The graphite in them is extremely fine, and as a result it has a very smooth, even, and even velvety application when you're using it. Other reason it's important is that they come in a range of values. Okay, so what do I mean when I'm talking about a range of values? What I'm talking about here is the gradation between the lights and the very darks and all the shades of gray in between, and that is what a range of values is. And as you can see in this drawing, we have this full range of values. We have the very lights up here in the forehead and then in the top of the cheek area, and then we have the dark darks in the eye and in the hair and under the jaw and parts of the mouth. And then we have all the range of values in between here, the subtle shades of gray right across the face, from these very subtle tones here in the cheek area to the mid-tones here and in the jaw and in the neck, all throughout the entire drawing. And it takes this full range of values when you're doing a drawing to successfully pull it off. So how do we do this using just our pencils? So artist pencils come in a range of values, which means that some of them have a very hard lead that has a very soft gray application, and others go all the way up to a very soft dark lead, which will allow you to have a very, very dark application. So where do you get artist pencils, and what are the best brands to use? You can get them basically at any art supply store. The type that I've been using for years are Staedtler. They come in a blue series and a black series. The blue series has a wide range of values, from anywhere from a 6H, which is very, very light, to an 8B, which is extremely dark. The black series is called Mars Lumograph Black. What they've done is put charcoal or carbon in with the lead, and it combines really, really well with the graphite, and it allows you to go to the very far end of the value spectrum in the dark, dark blacks. And there's also Derwent and Faber-Castell. These are basically the three main brands that are out there that you can get at any art store. So it's a really good practice right from the beginning of your art journey to try and get the best quality materials that you can afford. Quite often we'll get something cheaper to try and save money, and in the end it just doesn't do the job anyway. We don't get the results that we want, and it's very, very frustrating, and then you have to turn around, go back, and pay twice anyway. So try and get artist quality materials, if you can, right from the very beginning, starting with your pencils. So what kind of pencil drawings do you like to do? If you'd like to share, please leave a comment below, or you can like, share, or subscribe this video. Thanks for watching, and remember, stay creative. This is your time to express yourself. Be sure to visit my website from the link below, where you can download my free studio setup guide. You can also take my free introductory course called Getting You Started with Realistic Drawing.